Ha? It's not done yet.
Hang on. Oh.
Parang may sabaw cake pala sila ng fruity kanina. Diba? Siya na yun. Saan ka pupunta, Baba? Ano sasabihin? Okay, wash your hands. Twice?
Yeah.
Alright, Baba. Narinig si Holly. Yung boys nandito na, oh. Kumakanta si Holly na happy birthday. Boy, where's your bread?
I'm waiting because these are there. I'm on it.
Did you sing twice?
Yes.
What did you sing?
Happy birthday.
How you wash your hands?
I just want to count.
Good job, Baba. Heck,
That's
Kuya.
funny. It says wash your hands for 20 seconds in
Yes.
the bathroom.
Ayan na yung kay Kuya. Kinukuha niya lang yung kanyang sauce. And eto yung kay Holly. Yes. Ayan, kinuha niya na, oh. Manners.
Mom.
Yes.
Why do the cold fruits make holes now for their nose?
Maybe when they slice the smiley fruits, bakit daw may butas yung nose ng smiley fruits? Oy, Kuya! Holly! Alright. Yun si Kuya, dalawang fruits ang nilagay niya. Okay. Okay. Ayun na sila.
Oh.
There's more.
I got it.
Ito yung kay Holly.
Mom.
Happy birthday.
Oh, Bella, can you please bottom one?
Okay, I will stop. Wait. Ayan.
That's enough.
Alright. Here you go. You're welcome.
Someone bring.
Ayan, nalagyan ko na ng butter. And si Holly and Kuya. Mukha na ng gatas. So, yan na yung lunch nila. Simple lang. Kasi mamaya, what you gonna have for dinner tonight?
Mocha dogs.
Maca dogs.
And potato cake.
Potato cakes. And busog pa rin sila dun sa kinain nilang breakfast na pancakes. And ito yung kay Holly, hundreds and thousands. You like it, Baba? Tingnan si Sak. Wow, Sak! Nakasmile pa talaga yung sauce. Ayan yung smiley face. Dalawa rin na patong. And mag-a-apple sila mamaya. What fruits you gonna eat?
Smiley fruits.
No fruits.
Fruit?
Yeah, apple, banana. What you gonna have? Ah, grapes. You still have grapes there, Baba? Huh?
Wait.
Grapes?
Yeah.
Yeah, magi-grapes sila. So, ang dami naman yan, Sa.
Bye-bye.
Oh my goodness.
This looks like tonight. No.
Go, hurry up. Get plate na. Wala, dinilaan niya. Baba!
Have a massive plate?
Yeah.
That's
Ang tawag niyan, massive plate. Baba, finish your food, please. Uminom na siya ng gatas, inubos. Come on, eat now, please. Ano?
I don't sit down, I don't go.
Alright, go.
Yeah.
Hurry up. Where's your ipit? Mag-i-edit ako. Ayusin ko lang yung kalat nila dito and mag-i-edit ako. Iligpit ko lang mga to. Baba, turn it down. Wala pa si Jan. 2:45 na. Hindi ko ata nabanggit sa inyo. Alis pala ako today kasi ngayon yung schedule ko ng pap smear. 3:15. 2:45 na. Wala pa rin si Johnny Boy. Is here now? Ah, dito na pala. Kasi ako bihis ako.
Hey, Mom.
Hey, Han. Hello, sugar. Yeah, how did you go? Ayan yung mga ha? What's that? What's that? Hindi niya alam nandito ng daddy niya. Ayan, mocha food sabi, pero mocha dog. Yan yung laging in-order nila sa shop. Chicken nuggets. Wow. Later. Marami. Yeah? Okay, okay. Baba. Give this to Bryce, oh. What's that one, Han?
Kranskis.
Kerensky?
Cheesy Kranskis.
Cheesy Kerensky.
So they got that shop.
Everything?
Everything.
Thank you, Holly. Everything. So, pumunta nga sila, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, pupunta sila dun sa mga frozen foods. And ayan, marami siyang nabili. So, mamaya, ipakita ko yun sa inyo kung anong itsura nila. Kasi alis din ako. What's that, Han? Where's my sleeper? Where's my sleepers? Meron ditong potato scallops.
Potato cakes.
Potato cakes.
You got 60 of them.
60?
Yep.
Oh my God. Tingnan nyo guys ang potato cakes. Han, kumuha ko ng ziplock para dito sa potato cakes. That's a lot. Kasi, is it box by box you have to buy? Huh? Honey?
Huh?
Box by box?
Yeah, best way to buy it.
They got everything.
Oh. Kaya ayan, hinahati.
Sauce, barbecue sauce, bloody.
Kaya hinahati na lang nila kasi ano, hindi pwedeng kalahating box. Dapat isang box. So, hati sila. Tapos meron dun sa loob. They have more there, honey.
I know.
So, ayan. Ang dami yung kalahati. Hinati na nila. Tingnan nyo. Ang dami naming potatoes. Ito na yung potato cakes na ilagay sa ziplock. And ayan, tingnan natin mamaya. Kasi alis na rin ako kasi hindi pwedeng malate tayo sa appointment ko. Mamaya, papa-figure out natin yan kayo dyan. Ayan, naka-mask ako and naka-long sleeve and naka-tights ako guys. Kasi mas okay na yung nag-iingat. And binalot ko rin yung cellphone ko sa cling wrap. And naka-gloves na rin ako. 2 gloves yung dadalhin ko kasi eto. After ko sa doctor's appointment, tatanggalin ko to. And baka kasi duman din ako sa so eto yung gagamitin ko. So, alis na ako. Hindi ko kayo dadalhin. Camera lang. Eto lang yung dala ko. Then, hindi lang magdadalang wallet. Yung aking mga cards nasa ziplock. So, see you guys. Go! No, you didn't get it. Hinaano niya yung...
I'll get it this time.
Hinuhuli niya yung... langaw. Bahay na ako guys. And pagkadating ko ng bahay, naligo agad ako. And si Jam, pinak niya na lahat yung mga frozen foods na nakuha niya, na binili niya sa town. So, no, don't spray, Han. Hindi niya makuha. Don't spray, honey.
What?
I have food here.
Oh,
I have here.
fly.
And may mga binili ako na I'm gonna get your food, Han. Okay. Wait lang guys kasi gagamitin namin yung air fryer. Linisin ko muna yung air fryer kasi lulutuin namin yung what we gonna cook here, Han? What do you call that?
Crocodiles.
Tapos potato cakes. Oh, potato cakes. I think we have to
No, you can go air fry.
air fry? Okay. Nalinis ko na yung air fryer. Tapos, linagyan ko lang siya ng baking paper. Hindi aluminum foil kasi may nagsabi, may nag-comment na wag daw lagi yung naglalagay
You
na.
gonna mop it off?
Yes, hon. Please. Ito guys, yung mga nabili niya. Ganyan ang itsura. Oh.
Fit.
Ito yung, what you call this again, hon? Mocha? Mocha dog?
Mocha dog.
Yeah, mocha dog.
I don't know if you're gonna turn them or size.
We'll see. 3, 4. This one.
You need 2 more in there.
Alright.
Gonna get them?
Yeah, go. Alright, just, yep.
Is that alright like that?
Yep, it's alright. So, yan yung mocha dog. That's it. What do you call this?
Kransky.
Kerensky and
And you got potato cake.
potato
You gotta do
cake.
this.
Yeah. So, hiwain niya lang ng konti. Wow. Pa-ex talaga. Careful. Why only 3? How about me, hon?
Yeah, you can have Jack doesn't want one, Holly doesn't want one.
Okay. Why? They want this one?
Yeah, and potato cake.
Okay. So, ito yung dinner namin, guys. Hindi ko na sa inyo napakita, pero yan ang itsura. Kasi si Jan, linagay niya na raw sa... Where did you put it? What you call that?
Oh,
Ziplock?
yeah, I put glad wrap on them all and then ziplock them.
Oh, linagyan niya raw ng glad wrap. Then,
The freezer, you open it, it's flush full.
puno raw yung
So no
freezer.
more food, eat everything in there.
Yeah. So, hindi na kayo bibili ng mga frozen, hindi frozen, mga meat kasi okay na kami. Kasi punong-puno na raw yung freezer. Even here? Do you
We've
put
got
some?
no room. Oh, a couple.
Couple. Kasi,
Potato cake.
yeah, you put that, okay, how many?
I'll just cut it there. I'll have some of them and
Yeah, you still have that means. So, yan, lutuin namin yan. Using ang air fryer. Hindi ko pa. 200. Siguro mga 15 minutes. Naka 15 minutes na to, guys. Oh, tingnan niya lang.
Oh.
I have to turn. Other side. Okay, wait, honey, it's hot.
Yeah, no, I'm just saying.
Okay,
yeah,
wait.
Probably just turn it,
Yeah, okay. Yan. Binaliktad ko sila. And nagdikit yung iba. Pero okay lang. So, another 10 minutes, sabi ni Jan. 10. 200 and 15. 10 minutes. And eto yung next. Ayan, luto na siya. Pero nag-ano siya, bumuka. Pero okay lang naman.
what?
So, next time, no, Baba. Baba, alis ka dyan sa table. Tingnan yung sisak ko. Baba, wire bag is here.
Just, why?
Wait,
Right.
okay.
Hang on, give me 2 plates now.
What are we putting
Sisak,
in
ando
now?
na sisak ko.
What are we putting in?
Yeah,
Oh,
that one.
Yeah, that one. That one.
Yeah, just like that. Be careful. Yeah, be
Like that.
careful. Yeah, be careful. It's really hot, honey. Napaso ako kanina. So, unahin lang muna nila to kasi hindi kasya doon. No? Ayoko kasi ayoko siyang iprito.
Hang on, this one.
Put it
Okay. How many you
all
think?
hot, Zach. Very hot, buddy.
Very hot. So, maybe 15 kasi frozen siya.
Yeah, hang on, mate.
Huh? So, unahin na nila yan.
Mom, can you tell me when this is going to be filled?
Okay.
Oh,
Who's that one? This is mine. Oh, this is
Holly,
mine.
I'll cut that for you, bub.
Say yes, please, Daddy. Kaupo talaga siya dyan. Can you go down now, please? Please, Baba.
I need it.
Wait, it's very hot.
Very hot.
Very
Can I
hot.
go put it in the cold air then?
Where? Outside?
Can
Yan
I?
kay Holly.
Wait.
Linalagyan ni Zach ng ipit si Holly. Careful, Zach. What you guys see to your kuya? Hindi pa rin luto yung i-check ko nga muna.
I love you.
Look at this one. What do you think?
Yeah, I reckon they're probably better in the oil.
No, not
Oh,
oil.
geez, they're near done.
Yeah,
Done.
it's good.
No,
A little bit
just
more.
got to turn them
Yeah, just be careful.
just a little bit
Yeah.
longer, and that's it.
Yeah, alright. Just be careful.
Ah!
Holly, why you laugh like that? Is it good? Ito yung next after ng potato cakes. So, iniisa-isa lang muna namin pagluto kasi hindi kasya. Ano na, 7 magsa-7 na. Like na yung dinner. Good, Baba?
I just plugged today.
I-try ko na yung akin, guys. Ito.
Yeah, I think someone else had 35 handicap, but he had 39 points.
Pinag-uusapan niyo lang kasi di ba naglaro si Jan
When you got a
na
big handicap, it's hard. When you got a low handicap,
golf. Second si Jan.
Stoke for Johnny get a shot
How
on
about Bryce?
9 holes. They get a shot on all 18.
Well, hang on.
Sarap?
Bryce had 32
Yeah.
points today.
Dad,
I
Dad.
mean, what place?
Oh,
Second?
he's mate. Hold
Oh.
up. Someone's got to hold up. Let it go.
Sabi ko yung kaibigan niya, pang ilan sabi niya, wala, hindi. Kailangan, yun nga, sinasabi niya, kailangan daw mag ano. Ewan mo. Okay na to? Ang kakainin niya ay yung kagabi. Okay.
Good luck.
Okay?
Oh.
Oh, be careful.
Yeah, I think.
Oh, kuya.
Yeah, just put one in.
Ah!
Have a look.
One for me.
I'll put one
Oh,
on
wait,
your
it's
plate.
hot. Where's my...
There, in front of you.
It's oily, Han.
No, it's not.
A bit oily.
My turn.
It's very hot. Zach? It's very hot.
My turn.
Yeah, wait, Baba. It's very hot. Hot, 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 hot.
I'm tired.
I know. Good? Good?
I'm right, I'm all there.
Mommy! I need salt.
So, no, it's alright. It's alright. You don't need salt.
Dad, salt.
Ang ingay. Crunchy siya, guys. Yung butter niya, masarap.
Where is the salt?
Pink one, Han. That pink, yeah.
What's that?
Pink Himalayan salt.
Where's the...
Nubuksan niya na yung nabili namin sa Landmark na salt and pepper.
I only need one of this.
So, ito na yung next natin.
You got so much, you got a Kransky yet?
And ito pala, bago ko tong bili. Ayan, sa Baker's Delight kanina. And meron pa dun sa car. Ha?
It's only my mind.
Ayan, tatlo lang to. Ayan na yung next. How many minutes? 15?
Yeah.
Yeah, 15.
I'll just check it.
Yeah. Ayan yung kanya.
My dad.
Means.
Holy!
Look.
Ayan na.
Did it split open?
Yeah, I cut it like that
Daddy
so they
cut
cook in there.
this. You want one? Si Kuya, kanina ka pa,
I
Kuya.
like some too.
Oh my God, finish yours. Sa Holly. Later ka na. Ito yung akin. Naubos ko na pala yung akin. Ayan na lang yung
Why
natira.
does it have to cut open?
So, it will cook inside.
Huh?
Ayan, may cheese yan, guys. Close ko na yung vlog, yes, son?
What's that?
You want one?
Oh, yeah.
Kuha siya ng isa.
Right.
Yeah, okay. So, close ko na yung vlog kasi... Tapos na siya, kasi mag-i-edit pa ako. Wala akong edit ngayon. Hindi ko natapos yung kanina kasi umalis nga ako. So, and then meron akong mga binili. Wala sa plano na dapat mamimili. Hindi dapat ako mamimili. Pero nung pumunta ako sa Coast, napabili ako kasi sa sitwasyon, grabe. So, bukas na lang, i-chika ko sa inyo. And ipakita ko sa inyo mga iba pang binili ko. You alright, hon?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Good night, hon.
No.
Good night, honey.
Good night!
Good night.
Good night!
Pero finish it. Sisak tapos na, oh. Night, guys. So, ito yung mga napili ni Jan na mga frozen food. Ayan yung potato cakes. Ang daming potato cakes. And ayan yung Kerensky, yung paborito ng mga bata. And 5 ata or 4 tong nuggets. Pero ayan yung 3. Yung 2 nandun sa isang freezer sa garage. So, etong freezer na to, ito yung malaki na nandito sa shed ni Jan. So, ayan yung ating frozen food. Tara natin.